Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me, a person who has problems with the engine of his car. The engine fault light has come on and the car has lost power. It has been put into the diagnostic machine and the fault P0400 has come out. This is an EGR fault. It has been checked to see if there was any hose that had a break, some vacuum hose, and he has realized that they are fine, but inside the hoses or vacuum tubes he has found engine oil and asks how can the engine oil get to the vacuum tubes? Let's see. There are two ways in which it can get there. First, through the EGR. That it has a crack in the internal membrane, and when the vacuum pump sucks, when creating that vacuum, oil from the one in the intake manifold enters it. Okay, that would be one of the ways to get there, and then there is another, which would be through the R valve, the retention of the vacuum pump. The check valve, what it is that the vacuum pump only sucks in air to create that vacuum. If the check valve fails, here it would not only suck in air, but also expel air and oil, the one that the vacuum pump uses to lubricate itself, engine oil. Okay. If the check valve fails, I'll leave you a link to a video I made about this, about checking it easily. Besides, there would also be oil, not only in the vacuum tubes that go to the EGR, there would also be oil in the vacuum tubes that go to the turbo actuator, and also in the vacuum tubes that go to the brake booster, even inside the brake booster itself. Okay, you can look at the channel, I have a video made about that too. Okay, these are the two ways in which motor oil can reach the EGR vacuum tubes. Well, here you have this video. If it is so useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.